Hello, fellow learners. Welcome to ENG 102. I'm Dr. Lorenzo Kellum, and I'm glad you're here. Truly, you've officially entered a course designed to strengthen how you think, write, analyze, and communicate at the college level. In other words, welcome to the part of your academic journey where your ideas start lifting heavier intellectual weights. Before we go any further, let's set the tone. So, you are required to watch this entire video from beginning to end. You are also required to review the accompanying slides carefully and take notes. This video and those slides contain essential information about how to succeed in this class. There will be zero tolerance for statements such as "I didn't know," "I missed that," or "I didn't see it." Think of this video as your syllabus with a voice. And yes, it will be on the test, not literally, but also kind of literally. Now, let's talk about the purpose of this course. The goal of ENG 102 is to help you significantly improve your communication, writing, reading, creativity, and critical analysis skills. This is not a shortcut class. It is not a memorization class. And it is definitely not a copy, paste, submit, and hope for the best class. This course is about learning how to research, analyze ideas, synthesize sources, and communicate clearly and ethically. These are skills you will use long after this semester ends, whether you're writing papers, reports, proposals, or strongly worded emails that still need to sound professional. Next, let's talk about how writing works in this class. All major writing assignments follow a required process. There are no mystery steps, and there are no surprise expectations. First, you complete the assignment exactly as outlined in the rubric. Second, you submit a rough draft to eTutoring by the posted deadline. Third, you submit your final revision along with your eTutoring feedback to Canvas by the final due date. Skipping any step in this process may result in a 0, even if the paper itself is strong. Think of it like math. Showing the answer without showing the work doesn't earn full credit. Writing works the same way. Speaking of support, let's talk tutoring. BCCC tutoring is available both face-to-face and online through eTutoring. Successful students use tutoring early. Struggling students wait until the night before the deadline and then panic. I recommend the first option. It's much better for your stress levels and your GPA. Now let's clarify how this class is structured, because this is where many students get confused. If your course is asynchronous, that means there are no live class meetings. All lectures, assignments, quizzes, and discussions are completed independently in Canvas by the posted deadlines. You are expected to check Canvas multiple times per week, stay organized, and manage your own time. Asynchronous does not mean easier. It means you are in charge. No reminders, no bell schedules, no one tapping you on the shoulder saying, "Hey, did you submit that?" You are the reminder. If your course is hybrid, that means we meet once per week, either in person or on Zoom. On the other scheduled class days, which may be 1 or 2 additional days depending on your schedule, you are responsible for completing assignments independently in Canvas. Not completing asynchronous work and then showing up to a live session unprepared is not acceptable. Hybrid does not mean half the work. It means 2 formats working together. Now let's address the rules, because clarity now prevents frustration later. Late work is only accepted within the official grace period and receives a penalty. There are no makeups and no extensions outside policy. All discussion responses must be substantive, meaning thoughtful, specific, and engaged, not "I agree" and not emojis doing all the work. All communication must be professional. All written assignments must be submitted in Microsoft Word format. Phones are not sufficient for completing coursework. If your device can't open Word, format MLA, or upload files correctly, it's not the right tool for this class. Let's move on to MLA formatting, a topic that strikes fear into the hearts of many, but really doesn't have to. All written assignments must follow MLA format. That includes correct headings, document formatting, in-text citations, and a works cited page. You are required to watch the MLA formatting video and review the sample MLA papers provided in the slides. MLA is not optional. It is not extra credit. It is the academic language of this course. Once you learn it, it actually makes writing easier. Yes, really. MLA is like a map. It tells your reader exactly where everything is. You are also required to watch the video explaining the difference between a term paper and a research paper. These are not the same thing, and confusing them will significantly impact your grade. One is a category. The other is a specific type of academic writing. Knowing the difference now will save you a lot of revision later. Now we need to talk about academic integrity, and this part is very serious. All final submissions in this course are reviewed using AI detection systems. Submissions that exceed the allowed threshold may result in a rewrite, a zero, or referral to academic integrity. Using AI without proper citation is considered plagiarism. AI can assist your thinking. It cannot replace your thinking. If a robot did the work, the grade will reflect that. Learning happens when you wrestle with ideas, not when you outsource them. Finally, let's review what you must complete in Module 1, Week 1. You must review the Week 1 slides in full. You must complete the Introduce Yourself discussion. You must complete the Canvas and syllabus quiz. You must complete the MLA formatting tutorial for self-study. You must complete the MLA formatting quiz. Failure to complete any of these assignments may negatively affect your grade and your standing in this course. So here's the good news. If you stay organized, follow instructions, ask for help early, and do the work honestly, you can absolutely succeed in ENG 102. This course rewards effort, consistency, and accountability. Welcome again. Take a deep breath, open Canvas, and let's get to work.